Wow, it's snowing a lot. I guess it's time for a KFC meal. Let's go. Okay, I'm out. The weather is really cold. It's like -16. And remember the first video? Forget about it when I said it was snowing a lot. This is a lot, look at that. Wait. This is not the best area actually to show it. I'll go to the other side and show you. Look at that. Look. Oh my god. My whole feet's going in. Okay. So my main goal right now is to go and get a KFC meal, because that's what I do when it's snowing. I swear it's freezing. It's really cold. I'm like holding my hands with bare hands. I'm holding my hands with bare hands. Yeah, and it's really cold. I can't feel my hands anymore. Look at that. Oh my god. Wow. It's like crazy. Okay, I'm gonna get into the train and I'll be back soon. See you guys. Oh my god. This is a lot. It's the first time actually. Oh. Okay, I'm at Alexanderplatz. I'm sorry if the wind actually made me noise, but it's so windy and cold. Okay, let me go quick before I freeze. Wow, look at that. Wow. I'm actually shocked. There are like more people than a normal day. Like, I've been here before without snow and there were less people. You can see a lot actually, although everything's closed in here, but yeah. Okay, let's go quick. Wow, I can't see anymore. Oh my god, that's better. Okay, so I'm at Alexanderplatz right now. This is middle of Berlin, and okay, wait, I have to move. This is a lot. And currently my goal to get my meal and go back home. And look at that, it's so nice. I haven't been out since like ages. Look at that. Okay, what the actual? Okay, never mind. Yeah, it's really nice. Normally this place is like very crowded, but yeah. What are they doing? Wait a second. What is this? No way. This all is the line for that? What is that? I'm gonna go check quick. I can't feel my hands anymore. I'm not sure what that is, but WD black, what is that? No idea. This is amazing. People are still having fun, although everything. Can you guys see the tower? Oh my god, wait. I can't zoom in my hands. 1 second. Here. The tower is frozen. Okay. And here we are. Wow. We'll get my amazing meal and go back. Actually, I would stay if it wasn't that cold. It's really nice to play around with snow here, but like the snow is fine, but the weather is like -16, so that's something I'm not used to. Okay, let's go. Can we get inside? Yeah. Danke. Hello. I'm not sure what to order actually. There are like a lot of options right now and I'm like hungry. But I'm not sure. I'm just gonna get a burger and some chicken crisps, that's all. Cause why not? And it's empty here actually. Everything is closed. Look at that. Look at that. Okay, I'll be back soon, guys. What I don't understand is like I ordered one order and I got 4 different receipts. Why? Like here it says takeaway, here it says I'm not sure there also why. Okay, mission accomplished. We got the meals. I feel like my food will be frozen until like I arrive home. Let's go. I'll go from here again because this is a shortcut, better than going there. This is how the underground Berlin train stations look like. It's like another world inside. It's like a whole new world, all under the ground. There are restaurants, information center or whatever, and yeah. That's a lot of people, oh my god. And my train is gone. I missed my train. I have to wait now, I think. Yeah, 4 minutes. No wait, I'm in the wrong direction. Oh my god. Oh, I just have to wait 2 minutes, that's fine. We'll wait 2 minutes. Okay, the train arrived. And here we are, arrived finally. Oh my god, the noise of the train is like a disaster. It's very loud. One second. If you are watching this video and you haven't watched the first one where it starts snow, just go and watch it, because actually this is much more than the first video I uploaded. And look at that, holy moly. So yeah, you cannot like compare. Wow, that's crazy. Like the thing is that I lived in Berlin for around 4 years now, and it never snowed that much. It's amazing. Wow, I wish you guys were here with me so we can play with snow, make some snow fights. Wow, that's crazy. Okay, I think I have to go because my food is frozen now. I wish I can stay outside, but maybe tomorrow. My footsteps. People are having fun. Look at that. Okay everyone, now that you have seen our snow and our weather, tell me in the comments how is the weather in your country, because here it's really snowing a lot. And not only in Berlin, everywhere in Germany. So let me know in the comments which country are you from, and how's the weather right there. Is it snowy? Is it sunny? I guess there are some countries that actually has still sun and it's very hot. I would say Dubai maybe, or Kuwait. So yeah, thank you all for watching. I'm gonna go eat. Actually no, wait, I'm gonna go up, show you the meal, and then I'll end the video. See you soon. And finally, here we go. Ooh, let's check. Yes, it's called as, I'm not gonna say. Luckily I have a microwave up there, so I can heat whatever I want. Why do I have 3? Oh my god. Okay, let's see. Okay, that's everything. Let me show you quick. This is everything. Guys, I'm gonna go eat. I'm sorry. See you in the next video.